Today we discuss chapter food, where does it come from. Okay, so food is very essential thing required by all living things to live. So what the food give? Food give us energy. Now the cell in our body multiply after getting nourishment from the food we eat. And what are the nutrients which make food important part? So first of all, I write down the definition of nutrients. पहले हमें ये समझना होगा बेटा कि न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या होते हैं. These are the chemical substance the chemical substances present in the food which are essential for the body. These are the important chemicals substance which present in food which we eat, and they are essential. If we take all the nutrients in our body, then that give us energy, that grow, that increase our growth, help in us growth. It help to repair the damage of any part of the body, and it protect the body from disease. So we need food which give us all the supplements required by our body. Now in this chapter there are different types of foods are given. That is you see in the table 1.1, what do we eat? Whatever the food you eat, write the name and the food item eaten in a day, और वो food जो आपने उस दिन खाया है. There seem to be such a variety in the food that we eat. What are these food item made up of? अब ये food किसके बने होते हैं? These are the made up of ingredients. Ingredients जो हम खाने को बनाने में यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? जैसे कि अगर मैं खीर बना रही हूँ तो what the ingredients of the खीर is? That is milk, rice and sugar. Okay, so I write down the definition. And now I erase it and write down the definition of ingredients. So what are the ingredients? The raw materials used for the preparation of food. Okay, so these are called ingredients. I can again I reply this, the raw material used. Okay, the raw material used for the preparation of food. यानी जैसे मैंने खीर का एग्जाम्पल दिया तो what the raw material I take? Milk, then sugar and rice. These are the raw material to prepare kheer. Okay, so now this much today.